In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Google Gemini on your iPhone. So Google Gemini is the AI assistant tool. So let's go ahead and download it on our phone. So go find your app store, and we're going to just go ahead and type in Google Gemini. And let's go ahead and download this one here, and go ahead and hit get, and it should ask you for a Face ID. Go ahead and double click and install. So then that might take a couple seconds depending on your Wi-Fi strength or your download strength, and it will be downloaded to your phone. Once it's done downloading, you'll have an open option here. So you can open it from here, or you can go find it on your phone itself. So let's go ahead and hit open. And from here, it'll automatically load an email in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue as myself. And from here, it's real easy. It's very simple to do. It's already loaded in for you. So go ahead and use it to what you want. Build ideas, ask questions, but this is your personal assistant. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to download Google Gemini on your iPhone.